Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2019 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front bucket seats, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and power windows. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.